This is the summary created from the video. Service Level Agreement. Service Level Agreements, or SLAs, govern the relationship between cloud providers and consumers, defining factors like pricing, availability, performance, and security. A service level agreement is a formal contract that defines the service provider's guarantees and the consumer's trust, involving measurable service level objectives that providers must meet. Web services enable communication between providers and consumers with agreed terms, and the WS Agreement Framework defines a schema for expressing SLAs and monitoring quality of service, while cloud services evolved from these service-oriented architecture concepts. SLAs come in different types like non-negotiable, direct, and negotiable, with service-level objectives objectively measuring conditions like availability, response time, and throughput, which are managed through monitoring processes. Ensuring business continuity, disaster recovery, and robust security measures like encryption, key management, and data isolation are critical requirements for reliable cloud services and clear accountability through SLAs. Key performance indicators like downtime, uptime, and packet size are low-level metrics that are aggregated and converted into high-level service-level objectives, which collectively represent the overall service performance through SLAs. Major cloud providers like Amazon, Google, Salesforce, and Microsoft offer SLAs with uptime guarantees ranging from 99.5% annually for IaaS to 99.9% monthly for SaaS and storage services. When migrating to cloud computing, evaluating SLAs plays a crucial role in ensuring business processes aren't adversely affected by the cloud provider and assessing if key parameters are measurable and meet requirements. In summary, SLAs define the trust and obligations between providers and consumers, with standards like WS Agreement driving SLA definitions for web and cloud services, while service-level objectives, monitoring and auditing enable enforcing these agreements for reliable cloud adoption. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.